bad guys today. I was testing some new tech in the suit for Mr. Stark. Watch this!
Spider-Man!
Oh, hey, Sharon.
Shall we conduct an altitude test?
Yeah, I guess I should do some work.
Always good to have the data.
On my way. Just need to find a clear path and something to swing from. Oh yeah, it's go time! Field testing, here I come! Clear the runway! Spider-Man is cleared for takeoff! Wow! Sharon, altimeter!
Super high, Spider-Man!
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about!
Brace for impact.
Hard landing, so hard.
Spider-Man, I'm getting some unusual readings from the suit. While I analyze, why don't you go down and meet your friends?
Okay, I'll be right down!
But I keep things around here pretty chill.
All the main recruits filling up all available spaces on that green tile. Make sure moving all the way forward, filling up all available spaces on that green tile.
And now, our project lead, the brilliant... Oh! Peter Parker!
Hey, what's up? I'm Peter Parker, and here at Web we got access to some pretty awesome tech, like vibranium from Wakanda, or this crazy alien juice stuff. We have good particles and Stark tech. It all helps us develop really cool stuff, like these spider bots, for example. Check it out. They have this really cool self-replicating feature.
Because?
This is awesome. Buddy, you could stop doing that. But anyway, you guys are here today to help us test the Web Slinger vehicle. Using onboard tech, you will be able to sling webs just like my buddy Spider-Man.
Peter, your presentation is getting away from you.
Yeah, I'm a little bit, Sharon. If you could just initiate the safety protocols, it'd be great.
Problem with that,
So
Peter.
anyway, if you want to sling a web, all you gotta do is sling one arm in the direction you want to shoot the web, and that's it. It's awesome.
Peter, your spider bots are continuing to replicate and are consuming everything in their path.
They seem to be stuck in self-replication mode. If you could just handle that for me, please.
On it. Contacting Mr. Stark.
Don't call Mr. Stark! Don't call Mr. Stark. Sorry, shout. Could you just call someone else, ask them to do it?
Okay. Contacting Spider-Man.
Weird. I'm gonna go find Spider-Man for myself, because he's around here somewhere. Okay, goodbye. Spider-Man!
As you may have noticed, the spider bots are locked in that awesome self-replication mode. In spite of what you see, they were created to be robotic helpers that can break down raw material and create all kinds of useful tech. But because they are stuck in self-replication mode, the spider bots are currently consuming everything in sight and multiplying at an alarming rate. If left unchecked, my calculations predict this will lead to the devastation of the entire Avengers Campus. It should be safe until Spider-Man gets here, as long as they don't get into the alien fluid. This is now a bigger problem. Activating threat level protocols.
Hey guys, what's up? I hear you have a bug problem. I'm here to help.
You made it. Great. Threat level is at exponential danger. I might need some help. Perhaps I'll call the Avengers?
Don't worry, everyone. I got this. Okay, everybody. Open house is canceled.
Wise idea.
But I could use some help.
Yes, you could.
Sharon, prep the Slinger vehicles.
Already on it.
Everyone head to the Slingers and we'll team up to stop the spider bots before they destroy the campus. It's easy.
Okay, we have a plan. Please move quickly through the doors and down the hall to the Slinger vehicle bay. Your open house demo has been upgraded. Motion tracking, assigning individualized color profiles, web shooters calibrating. You there, Spider-Man?
I'm here. Where are you?
On our way. Okay, please sit back and enjoy your ride until we reach the disaster.
Wait, I thought the threat level was still an exponential thing. Yeah, disaster sounds right.
I got you, Grace.
Little help here! Guys! I'm glad to see you guys.
believe the chain reactions, they work!